on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while. It's been a real while. Well, honestly, actually, it hasn't been a while since I picked up the camera. It's just been a while since I posted, and that's if this clip or this video makes it into YouTube or the channel, because I've basically like on and off been filming stuff and not liking what I'm filming, or it didn't come out correctly, or it's too dark outside, or the sound quality is bad, whatever it is. Yeah, I've been kind of just like on this trying to get like at least some decent videos out. I did a lot to the car, so if you follow me on Instagram, or if you don't follow me on Instagram, which most of you guys probably don't, it's andrew.fendi, like the YouTube name. I post a lot of my stuff on there of the car. Yeah, it's a lot, so I'm gonna go through it. I just installed intakes like right now, so I was gonna go for a quick drive and see how it sounds, and if, you know, anything's wrong with it, I guess, but hopefully nothing's ever wrong with just intakes. Yeah, so we're gonna do that real quick, and I'll talk about what we done in the last week that I haven't posted, because it's been a little bit of stuff done. Yeah. All right, so the last week, or like a week and a half or so, basically what I've done, I got them up for delete, and basically my buddy did a custom TOMEI exhaust on it. For me, I actually took the Volkswagen's TOMEI that I had on that car, took it off because I knew I was going to use it on this car. I wanted to do that. That was like before I even got a new car. I just took it off. So I did that. We got it all fixed up. He did a bunch of like really nice exhaust pie cut work to make it fit, and it looks pretty cool. I put it out the right side, and I don't know if this video is gonna pop up before or after the video of the exhaust sound, but it was supposed to be, the video for the exhaust was supposed to be posted last week, or at least like a couple days ago, because I wanted to get a video out. But I just didn't like the sound quality, and I don't have all the right gadgets to get like a good sound like clip for that stuff, so I just didn't do it. So we'll see if I get it done or do it, like, you know, soon. But anyways, that'll be coming. But yeah, I got that done. Then I spent all of Tuesday, today's Sunday, because I only have a couple days off now from work, but I spent all of one day putting in the race fuel pump. It's a low pressure fuel pump, and it's a dual Walbro bucketless 450 Walbro fuel pump. And all in all, it was a pretty easy install, but the only thing that was bad about it was that there was no like instructions. So it took me some time to like actually like figure out what I had to do, and it wasn't even the like physical parts, it was more like the wiring. But I think I might be able to talk through that later. If anybody else has to go through that, hopefully they can help out, or DM me or whatever. Whatever. It's actually a pretty fairly easy install, as long as like you had instructions. I wish they just gave you instructions. Next thing I did was the intakes that I just did today. Of course, it's just a simple DCI intakes. You just take it out, put the new ones in, and that's basically it. I believe I want to put the water meth injection kit in. If you guys follow me when I had the Volkswagen, I had a water meth injection kit on the Volkswagen, and that was because it just didn't run on E. It just wasn't very good. The car was just like not capable of really running a high E content, so I ran a lot of water meth. On this car, I'm just kind of probably just gonna throw it on there for intake temperatures for the time being, especially on stock turbos. I don't believe I'm gonna need like extra fueling. Right now I'm on an E52 on MHD, V10 plus. Yeah, I did a 60 to 130 with the V10 and the V5, and my V10's not that far off from the V5, and so, you know, with like anti-lag and all that stuff, it's the newest revision, so I decided I'll just run that for now. And if I want to like go out and run someone or like race, and like I know I'm gonna need that extra little oomph, I'll probably put it on the V5 map. Yeah, other than that, let's just do a quick, maybe I'll just do an exhaust clip right now. I'll do an exhaust clip for you guys right now, and hopefully you guys can hear a good amount of